Isopon has a repair solution for almost any damage. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to use the Isopon Alloy Wheel Filler Kit. The Alloy Wheel Filler Kit is an easy-to-use and durable filler that's specially formulated to repair scratches and scuffs in most alloy wheels. Pre-measured packs are easy to mix, contain real aluminium, dry fast, and sand easily, creating a smooth and durable repair that's ready for primer and paint. Here's everything that comes in the Alloy Wheel Filler Kit. 4 packs of the wheel filler, a pack of hardener, an applicator, and detailed instructions showing you every step of this repair process. Let's take a look at our project. There's a gouge in the wheel face of this alloy wheel, about 3 mm thick and almost 20 mm long. Some of the things you'll need are protective gloves, fine and coarse grit sandpaper, a sanding block, a clean sheet to mix on, and a wiping towel. Wearing your protective gloves, roughen the bare metal surface approximately 25 mm around the damaged area with the medium grit sandpaper. Wipe away any loose particles and remove any grease or contamination. The area should now be clean, dry and free of loose paint, rust, dirt or grease. Cut open the alloy wheel filler packet and remove the alloy wheel filler from the packet onto a clean surface. Then squeeze out a 40 mm by 3 mm strip of hardener. Using the applicator provided, mix the filler and hardener together until you get a uniform colour. Thorough mixing is important to ensure the best results. Apply to the repair within 4 minutes of starting to mix. Apply the filler in one layer, so the final surface is slightly domed over the repair. Allow it to dry for 20 to 30 minutes prior to sanding. You can use a file, electric drill, pneumatic sander, or in our case, a sanding block with medium paper to carefully remove the excess filler. Carefully shape or contour the surface to match the surroundings. For the final finish, use a sanding block with very fine grade wet and dry paper and plenty of water. The final finish should be perfectly smooth and blend evenly with the surrounding area. Any small imperfections can be filled again with a small amount of filler and resanded. That's it! Your repair is now ready to prime with your chosen primer. Isopon really does have the repair solution for almost any damage. For more information on the Isopon Alloy Wheel Filler Kit or any other Isopon product, be sure to check out our website at isopon.co.uk.